Welcome to Elmarhala Voice. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work and live. Imagine machines that can learn from patterns and make decisions just like us. That's the power of AI, driven by machine learning and neural networks. It's already part of our daily lives. Think about automatic translation tools that break down language barriers, or content recommendations that help us discover new favorites. For entrepreneurs, understanding AI is crucial. It's about analyzing vast amounts of data to gain insights that can propel your business forward. By leveraging these modern tools, you can enhance your strategies, streamline operations, and ultimately stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Embrace AI and unlock the potential to transform your ideas into reality. Welcome to Elmarhala Voice.